Out of your lease? You're going to buy a lease?
No. Absolutely not.
So does that mean you're gonna release another Tesla?
A brand new one, and
brand new one.
Yeah, I'll flip out to a new one.
Okay.
And keep the payment high. That's how I like it. Big payments.
High roller.
I like a big monthly payment.
God forbid we just don't have a payment and just keep small independent shops in business by paying for repair bills.
Well, someone else will get that Tesla.
That's true.
Right? Someone else gets my used cars when I'm done with them.
Nice.
And they'll bring them here.
So what do people need to know about owning a Tesla?
No gas station, no oil changes. You're not going to wash it much. People are going to think you're a douchebag.
That's very true.
Yeah. What else? I can't think of anything. I feel like it's like it's a big change, but it was quick and easy to adapt to. I'll tell you what I thought was really interesting was the fact that when I'm driving this car, like I can't believe how quickly it stops because you take your foot off the gas and it immediately starts to stop.
And you have it in. It sounds like you have it in regenerative brake mode where she charges each time you brake.
So there's a hill near where I live that's so big and so steep that when I'm going down the hill, and I don't know why I love to do this, but it's like the silliest little thing. But I'll be at like 61% battery at the top of the hill, and I'll watch it as I coast down the hill, and it's like 62, 63 by the time it gets to the bottom of the hill. And I'm like charging the car.
Nice.
Going like you're watching the battery go up from the fact that you're turning these turbines now based on gravity.